Okay guys, this pot here last year had Liatris in, and they're still here. These are the last year's stems. Okay, what I'm about to do is dig these up and just see how many new shoots I've got ready to plant this time. So I'm hoping this will show up on there. Basically, I can see some. Here's one here, and I know we've got some here. They should be all the way around underneath here, under these. And I've seen some. All I've done is move the soil from around the edge of the pot inside. Now, I don't know if you can tell from this soil, but it's quite sandy. You'll see different colour down here. It's very sandy, and most of it in the base is sand. Just see that there. So I'm going to get the trowel and dig down in and see if we can get these up without too much damage. And I'll show you just what's underneath. I'm still moving this from around the outside just to free them up, hopefully. Let's just have a play here. Okay, that's fairly good. That's free. There's no shoots here at the bottom. I think this is one main plant, not two. So it must have had two main flowers on last year. I was thinking it was two separate flowers or separate plants. I don't know if you can. It's a lovely mix, that. Lovely mix. There's nothing over this side of the pot by the look of it. So I think we can safely say we're not going to do any damage over there by digging in there. What I'm trying to do is just loosen this up. There we go. Okay, that's all of it, I think. Yep. Yeah, that's all the plant there. So what I'm going to sort of get down to is the main system. And see if I get what I got last year. I'm going to take this old one off That one's quite firm actually. But as you can see, we've got these new shoots. And what this plant does is multiply each time. Move that over here. And you get all these new plants from it. It's a good plant. Oh, just broken that one off. But even if you plant that, it will still grow. Okay, so I'm going to just pop that back in so it's comfortable at the moment. That was too easily done, unfortunately. Okay, so all these right, this one can now be cut, parted. As long as you've got some root, that will grow again. Or you can take all these off with root, if you can do that. Personally, I think probably I would cut down inside there, or just plant the whole thing. There's another one at the top of that, just there, so I would probably plant that as is. Okay, I'm going to pop that back in there like the other, just to be comfortable after being disturbed. Okay, it's like a tuba, not the musical instrument. And this is what you get. So you could split that again, possibly. I'd probably actually know. I might be able to. Even that will grow, I believe, because it's got the root. Okay, that would grow, so you can still plant that. Again, pop it in, keep it happy. And you could just cover that. Okay. Now I would say that feels like it will come off. That one there. Okay. As long as it's got some root, I believe that will come through alright. I'm going to start putting them in this pot as we're running out of a little room in there. And then we can transplant them to wherever you like. Okay, we're going to try splitting that again. Okay. So we've now got another one here, tiny one. That may not do very well, but we'll try it. But there's that one there, that can now be planted as is, just like that. Where's the rubbish that way? And I'm going to put them back in this pot. But keep an eye on them, and when they come through, which won't be long, once they start, these come through quite quickly. Okay. Just cover them over, just lightly. I'm going to take some of this soil back. We'll pop that one in there. Or no, better put some more soil in first, because that won't go in very deep. Keep that near the top. Lightly in. Okay. And obviously we need to plant them where there isn't anything else, so we're going in here with that one. There's not as many corms as last year. Last year it was really good, and I planted some out of this pot in the front border. So okay. Just cover that one up. Lovely soil. Don't be afraid to mix a lot of sand in with your compost. They like sand. Okay. So do a lot of other plants, you know. You can use sand. Everywhere. So we're going to pop this little one in over here. Oh, nice sound of a bee there. They'll be getting about now. Okay. A little bit more over this tiny one, just to protect that. Very gently pad down. and wait. There you are, guys. That's if you get Liatris. Just to show you what there will be in the spring underneath for new growth and what you can do at this time of year with it and get some more plants. All done, yeah. Bye bye.